Hello students, in the previous video we discussed about the multiplication, monomial by monomial and monomial by binomial and binomial by binomial. In this video I am going to explain about how to multiply binomial by trinomial. Let's look at the problem. Binomial 2 terms and trinomial 3 terms. How to multiply the 2 terms and 3 terms. Problem is find x minus 2y and x plus 2y minus 3z. This is binomial, 2 terms are there. One is x, another one is minus 2y. Trinomial, one is x, second term 2y, third term minus 3z. Solution. First write down the given expressions into the brackets. Multiplication, that is under the multiplication, and the second expression mentioned in the brackets. First you should do the first step like this. Mention the brackets of the given expressions and multiply it. Convert, first one, convert this expression into monomial by trinomial. Here it is what? Binomial by trinomial. Convert this expression first into monomial by trinomial. How it converts? While you are multiplying, first you are multiplying x minus 2y and x plus 2y minus 3z. This is the first term. This is the first term. You should multiply first term. Each and every term in the first term should multiply with the second term, each and every term. Once you get here first term is x. You should multiply x with each and every term here, x into x, x into 2y, x into minus 3z. X completed. Next, multiply 2y with x, 2y with 2y, 2y with 3z. That means each and every term in the first expression should multiply with the each and every term in the second expression. Before that, you should multiply the signs also. Coming to the process now. I multiply x with the second term, that is why x into second term is x plus 2y minus 3z. Minus, this sign I kept here. Minus, and the second term into 2y, that is second term into this term, trinomial. It's 2y into x plus 2y minus 3z. This is the conversion of monomial. This how many terms are here? Monomial. How many terms are here? Trinomial. Monomial by trinomial. And here also monomial by trinomial. First step completed. Next, from this step, what you are going to do the next one. Convert monomial by monomial. Here two terms are there, two expressions are there. This is one expression and this is another expression. If you want to multiply these two expressions separately, then convert this expression into monomial by monomial. Here what is the first term? X. X multiplied by x. Next, x multiplied by 2y. Next, x multiplied by 3z. What is the sign of x here? Plus. Before that, plus into plus, plus. First check. X into x. First term. X into 2y. Plus it is. Plus into plus. Plus. X into 2y. X into 2y. Next, plus into minus. Minus. X into 3z. X into 3z. That is the first term. Next expression. Multiply. Here minus sign is there. It's very important. Minus sign. Multiply 2y with x next 2y with 2y, next 2y with 3z. Coming to the solution, minus into plus, minus 2y into x, 2y into x, minus into plus, minus 2y into 2y, 2y into 2y, minus into minus, plus 2y into 3z, 2y into 3z. Now, this expression, if you are observing, the terms converted into monomial by monomial. Once look at here, monomial by monomial. That is why, while I am explaining the monomial by monomial concept, that's very, very important. Whatever the expressions are there, if you want to multiply the binomial by binomial, convert it to the monomial by binomial, then monomial by monomial. If you want to multiply the binomial by trinomial, convert it to the monomial by trinomial, then monomial by monomial. This is the process. Next one. The same step, previous step I taken here, x into x, x into 2y, x into 3z, 2y into x, 2y into 2y, 2y into 3z. I multiplied here and written separate step here. X into x is what? X square. X into 2y plus sign. You should remember the sign. X into 2y, 2 into 1, 2. X into y is 2xy. Minus as it is. X into 3z, 3xz. Minus. Next, this term has completed. This expression. Minus. Next, 2y into x, 2xy, minus 2 into 2, 4, y into y, y power 2, that is y square, you can read it as, plus 2 into 3, 6, y into z, y z. Here I separated each and every term like this. If you are observing here, x square only one term, xy and here xy, these two are like terms. Xz only one term is there, this is yz only one term is there, and y square only one term. That means whatever the expression is there, if you are doing the calculations, you need to check the like terms are there in the expression or not. If you find any like terms in your expression, then you should add it. Now I done addition here. Add like terms. That means what are the like terms here? 2xy and 2xy. What 2xy here? Plus 2xy and minus 2xy. What is plus 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Write in the step like here. X square plus 2xy minus 2xy is 0. Minus 3xz as it is written. And minus 4y square. This completed. These two terms vanished. Because total 0. Remaining is 6y. Next, I written in an order x square term first and y square and 3xz and 6y. This is the answer. If you are multiplying the given problem, binomial by trinomial, the answer is x square minus 4y square minus 3xz plus 6yz. While you are multiplying, the signs are very, very important. Majority of the cases, students are doing the mistakes in this area. That is why I given 2 to 3 examples in the problem. I explained 2 to 3 examples. I think it is not enough for you to learn completely. My suggestion is create your own problems. Create your own problems and multiply. Then you should have the perfect idea how to do the multiplication and how to multiply the signs. You should, while you are doing the problem, you should think constants or coefficients multiplication separately and signs multiplication separately and variables multiplication separately and unlike terms multiplication separately. You should have the clear idea about these categories. Then only you can simplify the problem, whether it is the binomial or trinomial or else multinomials Okay, it is very easy. Next one. Example problem. Find the value of x square minus 4y square minus 3xz plus 6yz. What the answer that we got in the previous problem? The answer I taken here and I created a new one. Here, find the value of this expression when x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. Three variables are here and I taken three values here. Solution. Given expression is x square minus y square minus 3xz plus 6yz. Given values are x, y, z are x equal to 1, y equal to and z equal to 3. Substitute these values in the given expression. While you are substituting, be careful and where the place of x, at that place you should substitute 1. In place of y, substitute 2. In place of z, substitute 3. Look at here once. X square in x place 1 substituted. Next 4 in place of y place 2. Next minus signs as it is I written here 3 into x 1 z 3. Next 6 y 2 z 3. Same as it is I substituted the x, y, z values here. Coming to the calculation, 1 square is 1, 4 into 2 square is 4, 4 into 4, minus 3 into 1 into 3, 3 ones 3, 3 threes 9. Next 6 into 2 into 3, 6 are 36. Now the calculation, 1, 4 into 4, 9, 36. 4 into 4, 16. 1 minus 16, minus 15. Direct step I written here. Once observe the calculation. 4 4s, 16. 1 minus 16, minus 15. Minus 15, minus 9, minus 24. Minus 15, minus 9 is minus 24. 36 as it is I written here. Now, 36 minus 24. Two opposite signs are there. Subtract it and big number is 36. So 36 minus 24 is 12. This is the answer and this is the procedure to find out the expression value when variable value has given. Multiplication. Some examples are given here. What you are doing is multiply these expressions and I given some values of the variables. Substitute the variables in this answer. What you are getting the answer in the after multiplication. In that answer, substitute x, y, z values. Then you can simplify the expression. Problem is x plus 2y and x plus 2y plus 3z values x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. Next 3x plus 2y and 2x minus y minus 3z. Substitute the values x equal to 1, y equal to, z equal to 3. Common and given for all the expressions. Next 3x minus 2y and x minus y minus 3z. Same, substitute 1, 2, 3. Next 3x minus 2y and x minus y. Same, substitute x equal, two variables are there here, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. 3x minus 2y and 3x minus 2y. Two same expressions I have taken, you should multiply it. Same, substitute the values x equal to 1 and 2. These are the problems. You should practice it. And multiplication, coming to the multiplication of signs, very important. First you need to concentrate, focus on the signs, then coefficients, then variables. Whatever the conversions are there, that may be a monomial to monomial and monomial to binomial or binomial to binomial or binomial to trinomial, whatever the conversion is there, you should multiply the first term all terms in the first term with the all terms of the second term. That's very, very important concept. Okay, students, for 6th and 7th students, it may be some typical for you, and 8th, 9th students, definitely you should do the problems. And for 6th and 7th classes, I will give a separate homework. And the students who understand clearly, you may try for it. And other than this homework, the students who feel typical, then I will give the separate homework for them. I think if you want to be an IIT student, definitely you should do and think in a different way and try the problems first. Whether it is right or wrong, no problem, you should try for it. Okay, students, thank you very much.